yourself, Sumera. Sumera, you need to unmute yourself.
Good morning, dear friends, teachers, and parents. Today I'll be telling you and showing you science behind slime. So let's start. So let me tell you what is slime. Slime is all about polymers. A polymer is a large chain of molecules. If you add the glue and borax, slime is the new substance formed. Instead of flowing freely as before, the molecules in the slime have become tangled and creates what is slime. To make slime, we need glue, shaving foam, lotion, some water, and a bowl and a spoon. First, we need to add some glue. Now, it's optional. To make the slime fluffy, you can add shaving foam, but it's optional. Then you can add lotion. You can add food coloring, but it's optional. Now I will add this with some hot water because if we use cold water, it will not dissolve in it. This is a boric acid, or you can call it borax powder. Well, borax powder is the activator for slime. If you mix the borax powder and water, it creates an ion called the borate ion. And if you mix the borate ion, like the borax solution with the glue solution, slime is the new substance formed. So I have some hot water here, and I'm going to add a little bit borax powder with it. Now add a little bit to the glue solution. Start mixing it. As you can see, it's forming into a substance. Then it turns into slime.
Can you add some food color in it?
Miss, I've made a batch over here.
Okay.
Thank you.
So for how long, for how many days will this slime be okay? You can use
Miss,
it?
if you keep it in a container, it can stay for 1 year or 2 years.
Okay, and like if you're keeping it open for what will happen?
Then it will dry and it will like
become hard.
be like a, yes, it will be like a rock.
Okay, okay. So where else you can use this slime? What you can do with this slime?
There's types of slime. There's edible slimes and clear slime. The edible slimes we can have fun and also eat it. And this slime is used for entertainment. And when you feel bored, you can play with it.
Okay,
It can
very
be a
nice. Thank you, Sumera. Next, Bibon.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tashnim Hokriban, and today I'm going to show you my experiment on hydrophobic sand. To make this experiment, you'll need a foil tray, olive oil, food color which is optional, a clear glass cup with water, and sand, and a spoon. The first step is, with a spoon, you need to scoop up the sand and put it inside the foil tray. Then, you will take the syringe, I filled it with olive oil, and you will add it into the sand. Then you have to mix thoroughly. After this, you can use any kind of spray. You can use either fabric spray or air freshener. I'm spraying my one. Then you have to mix it.
Can you bring
Now,
show the tray a bit more properly? We cannot see the mixture. Yes.
I'm mixing it. It should be like this. Then, as you can see, I have put a little bit of food coloring into my glass cup, but the food coloring is optional. Then with a spoon, you have to just scoop the sand up and you'll see it sinks to the bottom. Why does it do this? Because the hydrophobic molecules formed by mixing the sand with the spray can resist the water. And we all know that any kind of oil is water resistant. So this way, when all the different molecules are mixed together, the water molecule stops it from resisting and mixing it in. Look, if I mix the sand in the water, it will still fall down into the ground. And when I rise it up, it will be wet, but it will have the olive oil texture. So it's waterproof. This is how it's hydrophobic. If you have any questions, you are free to ask me. Thank you. We can also use this in real life situations. Do you know how? Well, when we are working at construction sites, or even to fill in small little holes to make it resistant from water, like when there's a flood, maybe there's a small little hole in your apartment. Then if you make the sand and plug it through the hole, the water won't come in. This is how this is helpful in real life. And besides, it's also fun to make. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you, Bibon. It was nice hearing, and the one you can apply it in your real life also. Use it. Okay. Hamza, are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Hamza.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is INMD Hamza, and today I'm going to show you a science experiment. So the name of my science experiment is lemon volcano. So for this experiment, we need a lemon, baking soda, and food color. So first of all, we need to put some food color on the lemon. And now we need to add some baking soda. Now, after I carefully mix it, as you can see, there are some bubbly foams coming out from the lemon, like a volcano. So now, why does this happen? This happens because lemons are type of citrus fruits, and their flesh contains a lot of citric acid. And citric acid is a chemical that has a lot of hydrogen ions. So when we and baking soda is a base, It contains a hydroxide oxide, and when it comes in contact with an acid, such as citric acid, a chemical reaction starts. The reaction neutralizes the acid and releases carbon dioxide, and the gas wants to escape the liquid, and that creates the bubbles. And this is exactly what you see in the lemon volcano eruption reaction. Thank you. So, if you have any question, you are free to ask.
Okay, do you want to ask anybody any questions?
No.
Okay, thank you, Jan Hamza. Rakit, dear, are you ready? Can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, dear.
For making no. Good morning, good afternoon, friends and teachers. My name is Zayan Rakib Muzannab. For this science experiment, I will make a lava lamp. For making this, I need vegetable oil, vinegar, food coloring, water, and baking soda.
Can you be a bit more louder, Rakit? We cannot hear you.
First, I need to pour vegetable oil into a cylinder cup. If I don't use cylinder, it won't properly work.
Zion, we can't hear you.
Okay, I'll.
A little bit louder.
And then I drizzle some vinegar inside.
Can you bend your camera a bit down so that we can see? Yes. Yes, we can see.
Oil and vinegar are hard to mix and separate easily because their molecule structures repel each other. The fat molecules in oil are hydrophobic, which means they're attracted to water, and the water molecules in vinegar are hydrophilic, which means they're only attracted to water, not anything else. If I need to, I will mix the bubbles. Now I will give food coloring of any color I want. Four or more drops should be. The food coloring is denser than oil, but less dense than vinegar. So it hangs around the middle. Now I will mix baking soda and water together to make it liquid. Miss, can you see it?
Oh, yes, we can see it. Wow, very nice. Nicely, the bubbles are bubbling down.
Yes.
Okay, can you explain why it's happening? Oh dear, the cup is going away in front of you. Hold the cup. Hold the cup in front of you, the small white cup.
Yes.
The small white cup, it's moving. In front of you, the small white cup. It will fall now. Yes, that one.
It fills on the
Yeah, okay. Now, can you explain why the things are happening like this in the water?
white acid and base go into
Loudly, Zayan, Baba, loudly.
solution and start reacting to produce carbon dioxide. So it looks like foam.
Can you hold the glass up?
Kind of like the volcano Nabiba showed.
Okay. Can you hold the glass up? Yeah. So,
It will work for around 5 to 10 minutes. The original lava lamp experiment is made with Alka-Seltzer tablets. But I made it with
okay. So
Interesting.
if we, as you have telling, it is a lava lamp. So if we switch off the lights in dark, will it give us the light?
no mystery. The lava lamp, this is an experiment one. The lava lamp is like a light with glow.
We can't really hear you.
But this one is just experiment. It looks like lava lamp. The carbon dioxide.
Okay. Thank you, Raket. Thank you for your wonderful experiment.
You can use
It was
for
nice.
or you can also recycle it and make cakes or cupcakes because these are the same ingredients.
Okay. Okay. Nusair, are you ready, dear?
Miss, can I leave the meeting because it's my sister's exam and I have to get ready.
Miss, can I turn off my video? I need to clean it up.
Yes.
I think so. Nusair is not here. He's having connection problem. Okay. Let's watch a